The Thirsty Crow is a popular fable that teaches the importance of perseverance and problem solving. The story goes like this. One hot summer day, a thirsty crow was flying around looking for water. He flew over fields and forests, but he couldn't find any water. He was starting to get really thirsty and was about to give up when he saw a pitcher below a tree. The crow flew down to the pitcher and saw that there was a little bit of water at the bottom. He tried to stick his head into the pitcher to drink, but the neck of the pitcher was too narrow. He tried to tip the pitcher over, but it was too heavy. The crow was about to give up when he had an idea. He saw some pebbles on the ground and started picking them up one by one. He dropped the pebbles into the pitcher, and as he did, the water level started to rise. The crow kept dropping pebbles into the pitcher until the water level was high enough for him to drink. He took a long drink of water and then flew away, feeling much better. The moral of the story is that if you are persistent and use your brain, you can solve any problem. You should never give up, even when things seem impossible. Here are some of the lessons that can be learned from the Thirsty Crow story. It is important to be resourceful. The crow was able to find a way to get water even though the pitcher was difficult to access. It is important to be patient. The crow didn't give up even though it took him a while to get the water level high enough to drink. It is important to think outside the box. The crow didn't just give up when he couldn't stick his head into the pitcher or tip it over. He thought of a creative solution to the problem. The Thirsty Crow is a classic story that has been told for centuries. It is a story that teaches important lessons about perseverance, problem solving, and resourcefulness.